Anthony here. I'm just taking a look at the pound Aussie. Got a bit of a three drive pattern going on here on the daily, and now we're getting this pullback. I'm looking for an opportunity here, potentially to the downside if we get it. So I've just pulled a few levels through on the daily time frame. I'm just going to send them over to my lower time frames, and I'll send that over as well, sync in layout. So let's just go down to I was just having a look at this one on the 1 hour chart. This was the sort of scenario here. I kind of drew this in, but if we get a break of this low, we have this range through here, I'd be interested in a break and a retest of this low here, and then I'd be keen to short this. We have pretty big level of support around here. All right, so I think in combo with this diagonal and this range where I've got my green rectangle, we cracked that. I'd be looking for a opportunity to short it. Apart from that, there's no trade set up at the moment. This could head in either direction, but yeah, if the setup shows, then I'd be interested. All right, so that's my take on the pound Aussie at the moment.